Okay. So, this is going to be Blizzard's bottom half of his. I gotta still attach it. And I'm going to hold it like this. This is Blizzard. So, bottom of this digigrade suit. This is my personal suit. This is just a sneak peek. So, I got the bottoms done and the hoof pod. Okay. Good movability. Very comfortable. I got pants on, so there's still a lot more stretch. I'm holding them up because they're going to be stitched onto my top. Or I might make it to where I can wear bottoms and just a shirt if I want to make it like a partial kind of thing. I haven't decided yet, but this is him. So just the bottoms, and yes, he is going to be this fluffy, and I do have to keep up with the brushing because it looks all shaggy right now, but he is going to be very, very fluffy. So I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas, and this is another sneak peek of Blizzard's bottoms. My winter reindeer. Good movability. Got plenty of room. Padding right here. Stuffed padding. It's different. I got a foam backing back here. You can tell. And then I will have probably, I'm going to get this all done tonight, and I will have a complete video of me in my full suit as a late Christmas present to everybody, I guess. So, there he is. I like the way he moves and stuff. Backing. Alrighty, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.